Hi everyone, this is John from PhoneDog.com, and I've got another Hero video for you. I'll be getting to the meat and potatoes of the phone soon enough, but I know a lot of you want to see the complete setup process, which, I don't know, for me it kind of kills the buzz of getting a new device and seeing it run for the first time. But I guess a lot of you are more responsible shoppers than I am. Over the next couple of days I'll be trying to answer all of the Hero questions you've been sending me on Twitter and via email, but I want to try something else out as well. If you saw the end of my Hero unboxing video, then you know that PhoneDog is launching an Android sub-site called DroidDog, hopefully in about a month. And when it does start, I want you all to help me decide what to review and what questions to answer. So as a sort of test before the DroidDog launch, send me your Hero questions at 5033 text me, a text message, SMS, to 5033-text-me. And since it's sometimes harder to dial by letter than it is by number on a cell phone, that's 503-383-9863. The number one question I'm getting so far is which carrier and when. When is by the end of the year. The carrier question is a little more complicated. First there were rumors that it was Sprint, but then Engadget Mobile wrote a story about some FCC filings that indicated the phone would use the 850 and 1900 megahertz bands, which is what is needed for an high-speed AT&T data plan. But then again, Magic and Hero share the same bands, and Magic was re-released in the States under a different name with different banding on T-Mobile. So I don't want to get anybody's hopes up, but I think maybe there's a chance that the Engadget Mobile story is not definitive. There was a sort of playful hint at the end of the article that that might be the case. So why would they file with the FCC if that's not the device they're launching here in the States? I don't know. I'm not sure what the law is. I don't know if they need to do that in order to sell the European device in the States. So hopefully Noah can shed some light on this question. What I'm using is T-Mobile on Edge, no 3G. Alright, enough talking. Let's get through the setup and I'll take a look at email, messaging, widgets, etc. There will be several videos on the Hero at PhoneDog.com over the next few days, but if I miss something or don't completely cover it, let me know, or hold out to the next video. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's the first screen you'll see when you turn on the Hero for the first time. Unlock it, and it's going to ask you what your language preferences are. This one has a bunch of different countries with English as the language, but it does not have the United States yet. So I'm going to select United Kingdom. Learn how to quickly and accurately enter text using autocorrection and symbol shortcuts. Don't worry about pressing the right key every time, just get close and let the software do the rest. Tap here to start typing. Okay, learn how autocorrection works. Type the word simple. And I think this is a canned example here, yeah. Tapping the space accepts the suggestion. Sample has now been corrected to simple. Now you can type quickly and let the keyboard do the correction. Let's try one more. Learn how to quickly enter accented characters and symbols. So if I press and hold the A key, I'm given a list of alternate characters and I can drag and select. And if I just wait long enough for the alternate symbol to pop up and then release the key, then it will be selected. And of course that's the keyboard close button. Okay, so I put in my network password there. Strangely enough, it saw my SSID even though I don't broadcast it. Of course now you all know it. I actually don't like this one. I just had to differentiate one Wi-Fi router from the other. I prefer Floston. That's a much cooler name, I think. Set up your contacts. I'm going to go ahead and set all these up, even though I'm pretty sure that's a text message from my wife telling me I need to pick her up at work like right now. So I'm going to go kind of quickly through these. So hopefully second time's a charm. Looks like it's doing something differently. Okay. Microsoft Exchange ActiveSync. I actually don't even have an account I can use for that. Other mail. I can skip that for now. Facebook. Let's do that. This has got to be it. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Oh. There we go. Alright, Flickr, I'm going to skip. I don't even really use that. So I'll log into Twitter.
Okay. Anonymous and aggregate location data. Yeah, why not? Oh, it's just telling me where to go for more information on customizing the interface using Twitter, Facebook, stuff like that. First launch takes a little while there. And there she is, the beautiful home screen we all want to carry in our pockets, all of us Android fanatics. And now I can check that text message to see if I need to get out of here. Oh, nope, everything's okay, but I better reply. And it has slang in there in the suggested words, which is nice. I'm looking at such a weird angle. I should be looking at it through the camera, but... So I'll send that text. And it pulled my Facebook photo there, even in an SMS conversation. I have to say, it does not function nearly as well on an overclocked G1 as it does on the Hero. So, you know, I feel your pain, everybody that's out there trying to get this working on a G1. But I don't know. It's nothing like this. The experience is totally different, and as far as I know, I've tried the most recent optimized cooked ROMs with an overclocked G1. And you know, you can get away with flipping around like this for a little while, but not for long. Yeah, and then what happens if you get a call while you're doing this, right? Another thing I'm going to be doing is setting up Google Voice on this phone, so that should be interesting. So there you go, there's the basic experience. I'm going to be doing some keyboard comparisons, pitting the Google experience against Sense, trying out the footprints, all sorts of different things, setting up Google Voice, trying the camera, giving you guys whatever I can think of during this time that I have the device. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned to PhoneDog.com for more Hero videos over the next couple of days, and please bear with me while I figure out what kind of lighting my new camera likes the best. Alright, take care.